eliminate 0 and enter the complete address. Here we goes to E56 colon 11C2 colon, next eliminate 0, next we comes to E75 colon, next 8023, next 3528 colon 3528 colon, next 7E OD sorry 7E 0D not OD, next colon 419B colon, next BDCE. This is the way we have to write it. It's correct. I'm going to the next one. First suppose for this AD 93 colon and A0 E4 colon and A9CE colon 32FC colon CBA8 colon 15FE colon, next ED90 colon D768. Here there are no zeros, so we can continue. Check it's correct. In the similar way 72B colon, eliminate zeros and enter remaining part A9 colon, after that A0C4 colon, after that we are having 4 zeros, so we have to give one more colon. Instead of entering that 4 zeros, we have to continue next one A772 colon and eliminate 2 zeros and enter the remaining, that is FD colon A523. Next eliminate the 0 before that term and enter 358 remaining terms. Now check it once, it's correct. So move on to the next one. In the similar way complete. Here we are going 5D66 colon 5EC9 right colon 46 colon, next 4 zeros we are having, so double colon 2576 colon and 4F, we have to eliminate the 2 zeros before that colon 7159 colon and next 0639. Now we have completed the complete one. Now once again we check it. Why it's showing wrong? I think here we have to give double colon 2576 4F 7159 0639. Everything is fine. No, here we have to give 0 term. Now once you check it, 56C9 46 2576 4F 7159 606. So sorry, I have given here 0. We should eliminate 0, right? If we have 1 or zeros more than, we have to remove that zeros, eliminate before the numbers, right? In the similar fashion, we can complete the remaining addresses. If we have 4 zeros, if we find in the given address, if we find 4 zeros, you just put colon, and in the same fashion we can complete the remaining. This is also same, 9930 colon CAFA colon, and we are having 4 zeros, so colon, and eliminate that term, 2 zeros, 52, and eliminate that 0, 4 double C. Next 7B7A colon 7B7, sorry, not 7A, 7B7A, and eliminate that zeros, 37 colon, next 27 E6, right? E6. In this way we can do it. This is correct. In the similar fashion we can continue with the remaining. BFA colon F0 colon D4 C5 colon, eliminate that 0, F6F, right? Colon, more, 4DF, right? Colon 2804 colon 283D. This is the way we can write. What's wrong with this? Sorry, I have missed this 0BF 0B8C. After this I will get B8C, because 0 we are eliminating. B8C, sorry, I got double B. I'm eliminating the double B. B8C colon. Now I'll get it. I have missed that. Sorry, instead of colon I have given semicolon. Now it's right. In the similar fashion we can continue. When we find 4 zeros in the given address, we must eliminate it with colon. That's it for this. That's it, and we can do in the all the given IP addresses in the same way.